Serpent CS understood Keravitz's need. HRMS automated processes, smooth communication, ensured compliance, and enhanced workforce management. Post-implementation, it's been a game changer. Streamlined onboarding, efficient performance management, it has elevated Keravitz's overall performance. In short, Serpent CS HRMS reshaped our HR practices. I recommended it to others looking to innovate their workforce management. So, I would say to boost efficiency and fuel growth, step into the future of HR with Serpent CS HRMS. Thank you.
After elaborating products by Serpent, I got to know that finance modules and various other ERP modules can be retrofitted in our existing system, and which can help us to bring our efficiency up. I would say experience the real digital transformation with Serpent CS ERP solution.
Currently, we have implemented marketing, customer relationship management, accounting, warehousing, inventory management, production, quality control modules in our ERP. Serpent Consulting Services was able to understand our requirements, suggest solution and implement it efficiently. We are happy with their implementation, and I would like to recommend Serpent Consulting Services for your ERP implementation. Thank you.